So today we are going to discuss about Python primitive data types. The four types of data types are string, integer, float and boolean. On the previous video we already explored the data type called string. For set up the environment or the workspace, just watch out the previous video. I have clearly explained about it. Now let's begin. This is just a string of characters. So the word hello is comprised of these 5 characters strung together, and we have to create them with these double quotes around. Now because this is a string of characters, we can actually pull out each character individually. So we could, for example, instead of just writing hello, we can add some square brackets, and inside the square bracket we can put the index or the position of character we want. So, for example, if I wanted to have the first character out of this word hello, I would put 0 right here. And if I go ahead and print, we will see that you get capital H. It's really important to remember that programmers always start counting from 0 because we work with binary zeros and ones. So whenever you want to get hold of first character or the first of anything, it always add 0. So this method of pulling out a particular element from a string is called subscript. Now, if I am typing print 1 2 3 plus 3 4 5, what do you think that the output will be? Do you think it will give me 1 2 3 plus 3 4 5 in the traditional sense like calculating it, or do you think that it will do something else? Alright, let's hit run. What it has done means it just concatenated the two strings because it sees the data type as string, and if we use the plus sign, it will just concatenate these two things instead of doing mathematical operation. Now, if we want to do that, then we actually have to declare our number as a number data type. So one of the most common that you see is called an integer. In order to create an integer, all we have to do is just write the number without anything else. And now go ahead and print 1 2 3 4 5. Then you will see that the output is 4 6 8. All the number, no matter it is positive or negative, are called integers in Python. So, what you call it when you actually have decimal places? Well, it is called float in Python. For example, 3.14159 is a float data type because this has a decimal place in it. And the final data type is called a Boolean, and this is very simple. It only has two possible values, true or false. Now note how these values always begin. It begins with a capital T or capital F, and they don't have any quotation marks around them or anything. Let's do a challenge. First we have to type a 2-digit number, then add the first digit and the second digit. For example, if I am typing 39, the output should be 12. So let's do it. 2 underscore digit underscore number is equal to input, type a 2-digit number. First underscore digit is equal to 2 underscore digit underscore number, square bracket 0. Second underscore digit is equal to 2 underscore digit underscore number, square bracket 1. If we check the type of first digit, it will show that it is a string. So for that, result is equal to int first underscore digit plus int second underscore digit. Print result. The output will be like this. They will ask you the two-digit number. For example, if I'm typing 87, then the next line will be 15. Now, let's learn more about mathematical operations. 5 plus 4, 9 minus 7, 6 into 3, 18 by 6. Print 18 by 6. Whenever you are dividing, whether it's integer, also it will show as float. I think that in maths we all have learned a rule called PEDMAS. Let's do it with an example. 3 into 3 plus 3 divided by 3 minus 3. What do you think that the output will be? First we have to multiply, then divide, then add, and at last subtract. If we are dividing 8 by 3, you will get the output like this. For rounding the number, we use the round function. For example, print round 8 by 3, 2. Another method to make the floating number direct into integer is print 8 / 3. Next, score is equal to 0, height is equal to 1.8, is winning is equal to true, print your score is. So here we got an integer, a float and a boolean, and we want to mix it all into a sentence which is a string. Instead of having to convert all of these and use the whole bunch of plus signs, then you have to convert everything into string. It's really painful, right? So what we can do instead of this is use something in Python known as FStrings, and what an FString allows to do is in front of a string we type the character F. It's really important that to type the character in front of the double quotes. F your score is. Okay, now this is a F string and you can start adding various values into the string. So for example, print F your score is curly bracket score. Now I am printing this. The output will be your score is 0. Here they converted everything to string automatically. So this is what is FString means. That's all about today's video. So consider subscribing. Thank you. Also, in the description below, I have given the link of my WhatsApp community. Consider joining for further discussions.